What's up guys, it's Sean from Tint Warriors, and today, in a day in the life, we're gonna tint a few cars, so let's get to it. This first car, first truck, GMC Sierra. We're doing XR20. We're doing XR20 on all sides and rear, and waiting on that XR20 from Expel, so we're gonna use 60-inch roll. I don't like using 60-inch rolls when I don't have to, but gotta do what you gotta do. Let's see what we got. Front doors. On the 60-inch rolls, I like to pull the length before I cut it, just in case there's any tension when it pulls, because when it pulls, you have all this loose material in the center. There's no rollers in the center, so the material can kind of skew a little bit. And we got this awesome enter button for the plotter. I'm gonna put the Amazon link down there. You know, you just pound it and let it do its thing. We'll waste a little bit of material here and there, but what are you gonna do? Let's see how this material weeds out first. There's this guy in the comments that likes to tell me to use Gorilla Tape as my cutting strip on my plotter because every time he watches the video, a little piece gets connected. I can't see myself doing that. Thank you for your recommendation, but I'm not putting duct tape as the cutting strip on the plotter. I'd rather calibrate it and take it from there. We got the back doors weeded out really nice, so looks like I don't need a Gorilla Tape. Oh, we need Gorilla Tape. Today, which is Friday at the time of recording this video, I'm really upset because Mike Burke from Sunstoppers was supposed to come here and visit me. FaceTime him yesterday. He's like, dude, we're not coming. And I'm like, what the f? I was all ready to hang out, have some fun, make some videos. He's like, I forgot it was Easter. There's that. But respect for that. You know, he's gonna have some family time. I'm gonna have some family time. But maybe next time. And you know what's even worse? He was hanging out with Carlos, Texas Tint Master, instead of me. It's all right. He was with Mike Noring too, so that makes it okay. And Dave Dellinger. All the other big boys. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken macaroni, Texas Tint Masters is phony. It's a very low-key day. Pre-Easter. We're getting ready for the bunny. Hop, hop, motherfucker. How you doing, Jimmy? You want some coffee when the Keurig comes? Yeah, we got no creamer, but we drinking that coffee. Coffee. We win. Yeah. Snap, crackle, pop, motherfucker. Hey. So, you know that customer with the Dodge Challenger and the Honda Civic Type R, and he's got the Jeep? Mike? He's got the Subaru Forester. He watches all my videos. Yeah, once I posted the one that you and Matt made, he was like, what, Jimmy's a tinter now? So what's up, Mike? He comes in the other day. He's like, what's up with this guy, Carlos? Like, you guys got beef? Like, yeah, we got beef. He called me out, but you guys know the details if you watched all the other day in the life, so I'm not gonna go into crazy detail with that. We're just doing a day in the life today until further notice of Carlos talking more shit comes to fruition. But like I said before, he takes a very long time to make his videos, so don't get too excited. Got 2 more full cars and windshields coming. There was tint on here before. Yuck. Sucks to suck like Carlos. And Jason, matter of fact. They both suck. I haven't really said much about Jason, Tint Dude 3, but he's actually Carlos's partner. And he doesn't get enough smack talk thrown at him because he's so quiet. But f you, Jason, and Carlos. Both of you. You guys are both going down. You're gonna be wearing that Dean Mitchell hoodie for days, months, weeks, years, even though Dean's going down too low-key. Do these back windows first, get them out of the way. No scrubby baby. You obviously cannot scrape these with a razor blade, so we use a non-score pad. Spray. Don't look at me. The ups is here. He has the coffee machine. He's got the coffee. The first time we asked him if he wanted to be on YouTube, he was like, hello, YouTube. The second time, he was like, no, 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 no. Let's see what he does this time. Slap on. What's up? Hello, Shine-Tech Auto Spa.
Hey, Slick.
What's up?
Listen, what time are you gonna be there tomorrow morning?
Mike, We're recording a YouTube video right now. You're gonna be in it. You want to say hi to YouTube?
Will the PPF block that a little bit?
Yeah, the coffee's here. You would want to get the dent fixed before you got a dent on the hood. Oh, if it's something small, then we can do the PPF still. Yeah. All right, we'll check it out.
Look. I think it's not a. It's not like a. It's a little. Thing like little like like a.
All right, we'll check it out. You got him in.
Thanks, buddy.
Bye. Here you go. You can have him. Keep him. Great customer. It's funny. Every day I'm like, I haven't heard from Mike in a while. Phone rings. I don't mind. So we got a Keurig. I might overdose on caffeine. Yo! What the f***? Oh man, I gotta stop doing this.
How'd you get up there?
I don't know, man. It's the bottle. So junior pump ups. I gotta go though. Let's not do that again. Just kidding. So I got the glass for my peel board finally coming for the Mike Norng Tint Wiz peel board. Can't wait to see that. Those ghosts, let me tell you.
Sponsored?
No. This is a Tint Wiz bar, 10:01, so let's try to get all 4 of these windows on in 10 minutes. Adrenaline. Jeez. Now for all you subscribers that miss my hand cutting videos, I'm gonna be coming out with a full in-depth window tinting course. It's gonna be extremely affordable at first while it's first release. So keep an eye out for that. There's gonna be a lot of details on hand cutting and other installation techniques and strategies and tips and tricks for all of you that are looking to learn window tinting. Take what you can from these videos, apply it, and then buy the course for an advanced training. It's 10:04. It happens. There was tint on this before, a little bit of glue on the bottom of the door got caught under the film, gotta redo it. What are you gonna do? Situation like this, I'll hit it with a pre-spray squeegee spray, that way I can squeegee all the way to the bottom. It's funny because I just took that roll off of the plotter. It's usually how it goes, I jinx myself. Flush out that bottom. Now we'll be good to go. Set the material over here until the 40-inch roll comes. And let's try that again. Definitely not finished in 10 minutes now. Let's reset that timer. We got 10:09, 10 minutes, 10:19. When something knocks you down, you just gotta get right back up and go at it. Get it done, one way or another. If there's glue, I'm blaming it on Carlos. Perfect, we got 10:12. There was not aftermarket tint on these back doors, so we should be good. There we go. So yesterday, I worked for 15 hours, nonstop, 15. Straight home to bed, back at it. Nothing a little coffee can't fix. Coffee. Next. Carlos can only flip the squeegee once. I can flip my bottle 6 times before I catch it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it makes me teleport places. Bet your squeegee can't do that. He'll try, but you won't see it for another year. Those videos take a while to come out, you know? Well, I only got 2 minutes to be within 10 minutes. Still pretty impressive. Making a little click noise, so you know she's busted, like Carlos. It's okay, Carlos. It's gonna be all right. Carlos brings the heat, but it's a little busted. 1 minute away from my 10-minute goal, but we can't sacrifice quality. Can we, Carlos? No. Right. Remember, I gotta check this again because we had that glue on the last one. Quick squeegee. Spray squeegee spray again, just to be extra safe. I'm gonna finish this door up, pop these panels back together. I'm gonna hit the windshield quick with some XR Plus 55%. Then we move on to the next car. 12 minutes. 12 minutes to tint 4 doors. Not so bad. What's up, mother? I can't wait to meet Carlos and Jason and everybody. And just with them all day long. All day long. I'm gonna put cement mix in Carlos's water. That would be hilarious. I'm not actually gonna do that. Hope you sleep with both eyes closed. And windshield time. Hey. I used to do knife throwing at trees when I was younger. We got coffee on top of coffee. Can't carry all of it. You want a cup of coffee? Yeah? All right, let's do it. You gotta pick your flavor. We got regular donut shop. We got coconut mocha. We got decaf, I don't know why. And we got a customer here. This one's nut and caramel. Damn it, I'm still making a cup of coffee. This looks like something Carlos would use with Jason. I don't know. There's tape on it. On this episode of Day in the Life of a Window Tinter, we are not tinting, we are making coffee. Yep. You like your coffee black? 'Cause that's all we got. Press the hot water button. Hear ye, art thou hear ye. There's no way. Oh, it popped the surge protector. Oh, so we've learned that you can't plug a Keurig into a power strip. What do you know? Carlos is so phony. You can hear me, but Ernesto can't hear me.
Hear anything you said?
You couldn't hear me? Wow, that's so weird. I just said that. Jimmy, your coffee's done. I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? It's Sean from Window Tint Warriors, and today I'm going to show you how to tint this 2020 Honda Civic Coupe with some Expo XR Plus. First, we're gonna. Damn, that looks pretty good. Let's check it out. We did 20% on all sides and rear, and 50% on the full windshield, and it happened just like that. Fastest tint job ever. No dust, no contamination, no need for a little chiseler like Texas Tint Masters. Perfect. Oh, what's up? Cool. All right, done with this car. Stick the stickers back on. All right, guys, that's it. A little short today. We got a lot going on with paint protection film, a lot of high stress jobs. We got to get them done and out by tomorrow morning. So glad you guys watched. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, comment. Check the links down in the description. Some awesome content there. I'll see you guys in the next video. F you, Carlos.